Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to get an alert when your iPhone reaches full charge. First, open the Shortcuts app and tap Automation at the bottom. Tap the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen to create a new automation. Select the Create Personal Automation option. Scroll down and tap on Battery Level. Once you've selected Battery Level, your screen will display a slider and options you can use to determine when you'll receive a notification. Select equals 100%. This means the automation will be triggered when your phone reaches 100%. After you choose your preferred battery level automation, the next step is to choose a Shortcuts action for the automation. First, tap on Add Action. Choose Audio Action and tap Next. Then a pop-up will appear. Choose Don't Ask. A new option will then appear. Notify to run. Enable this option and tap Done. So, that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.